In front of me is Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I would like to show you how you can enter vibration options on this Motorola. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and click on Sound. After that, scroll down, click on Vibrate Vocals and tap on the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. In my case, always vibrate. When you're ready, tap on the back button. Now click on this shortcut to prevent ringing and tap Vibrate feature if you wish to. You can always switch on or off this feature completely by tapping on this switcher next to Use Prevent Ringing. Now scroll down again, click on this switcher next to Outgoing Call Vibration to manage this option, and also on this one to manage charging sounds and vibration. Lastly, you can enable or disable touch vibrations by tapping on this switcher here in order to turn off or on haptic feedback for taps, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!